Tip of the jetties here. Point Pleasant Beach, New Jersey, Manasquan Inlet. Boat headed in. Robalo boats. I got a vintage trawler, Hopeful, headed out. Outriggers are down. Took a friendly hello. Thank you. Good luck out there. Be careful. Hopeful. The first trawler that ever said hello. Won't forget that. Boat headed in. Headed out. Sailfish. And there goes Hopeful. Beautiful day here, and 60 degrees plus. Beautiful Friday, early afternoon, and took a lot of boats way out there. We got some fishermen here. And we'll sign off for now.